Welcome back to Let's Fix It. Today, we're tackling one of the most annoying problems in any home, a clogged drain. Let's fix it together. If your water's draining slowly or not at all, don't panic. First, remove any visible gunk or hair from the surface. It might just be that simple. Step 2. Boil a full kettle of water and slowly pour it down the drain. This can melt grease and soap buildup. Wait a minute and test the flow. Next trick, pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Let the fizz do its magic for 15-20 minutes, then flush with boiling water again. Still no luck. It's time to go deeper. Use a cheap drain snake or even a zip tie with notches to pull out hidden blockages. Still clogged? Grab a plunger. Cover the overflow hole with a cloth, get a tight seal and plunge like you're angry at it. And that's it, clog cleared, no plumber needed. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY fixes every week. This is Let's Fix It, and we just did.